Hello everyone. Hello. How's everyone doing? Okay, so y'all, it is wash day today. So your girl is about to wash some clothes, and yes, I'm looking kind of, ragamuffinish, but you know how it is. Y'all make up words, okay? I hope y'all enjoy this video. I got a good response from my Clean With Me kitchen video, so I'm going to do some washing. That doesn't necessarily mean that I'm going to fold these clothes today, okay? So I may have on something different when I fold these clothes, seriously. Yeah, I loathe folding up clothes. I hate it with a passion, but I have to wash these clothes, y'all, so y'all come along with me. Oh, hey, if you're interested in my channel, you gotta subscribe to my channel, honey, so you can see more videos like these. I do everything on this channel, y'all. I really seriously do. So I hope y'all enjoy.
And you guys, I know this is not the politically correct way to put bleach into the washing machine, but this is my way of doing it. So, yeah.
Okay, what's up, you guys? So I had to stop the washer because I noticed that when I was going back over the clip right here, that all this right here was like dirty from like product buildup. This right here was dirty from product buildup, y'all. So I had to go and clean it because I know someone was going to check me real fast had I not cleaned all that out. And I tried my best to get in between there. I got some Q-tips, but all this right here is actually stained. That's stains from the, I guess, washing powder and stuff. But this washer and dryer is very old, y'all. I am up for an upgrade for a washer and dryer. I got this back in, I think, 2009 or something like that. So this is a very old washer and dryer, but I always try to like keep it clean. But all these are stains, but I noticed that I needed to clean it, and I was like, let me go ahead and clean this before y'all check me, because I was like, what is you doing, baby? No, baby, what is you doing? So I have to go ahead and clean that. So time to finish washing.
And yes, y'all, I do have my lashes laying everywhere. I know it's a little ratchet, but this is my own bathroom. No one comes back here. And you guys, I am using Awesome Cleaner. I get this from like the Dollar Tree or Dollar General. And y'all, let me tell y'all, when I say awesome is awesome, it does the trick. It gets the job done. Another good product that I like to use that's very inexpensive is Bang. I get that from the Dollar Tree, and y'all, it does wonders. And I've learned that you don't have to actually spend a whole lot of money on cleaner products, because the cleaner products that I get are only $1. So hey, it's well worth it. It's well worth it. And you guys, please excuse my camera. This is a new camera and it gets blurry from time to time, and it's trying to focus. And so y'all, please excuse me for that, honey. I mean, but you get what I'm doing. I'm trying to clean. So y'all get motivated. Clean with me. You know the drill. You know the drill. And I noticed that this mirror right here needs to be hung a little better. it is kind of flopping off of the wall, so I'm gonna have to like harness that up better on this wall right here because I do not want it falling and breaking. But I'm just using some regular old Windex to clean off the window or the mirror. Now that I've cleaned the sink and the mirror and the accessories that go on the sink, it is time to clean up this toilet. And so y'all, I'm just using some good old-fashioned Comet in addition to the Awesome as well. I love to use both of those actually to get my toilet spotless and clean. And after I clean my toilet, y'all, I love to put Fabuloso in there. I just love the smell of Fabuloso. It smells so freaking good. And as y'all can tell, I do love to clean the whole toilet. I'm talking about the whole freaking toilet. And I do like to get the sides of the toilet as well because it gets dirty over there too. And especially if you have a fella in your life, you know, they do pee everywhere. The pee splatters everywhere, even on the side. So I like to get everywhere on the toilet to make sure it is clean. Next things next is the tub. And guys, I use a rag. Yes, I said rag, y'all. I am from the South, so we say rag, okay? So I use a rag to actually clean off the tile because I did use a scrub brush, and I noticed that when I use a scrub brush on the tub itself, it scratched the tub. So I'm using a rag, and I'm never going to use that scrub brush again on my tub because it did scratch it up just a little bit. It's not noticeable, but I did notice that I scratched it up a little bit, so that's why I'm using this rag. Okay, can I make mention that my butt looks extra huge on this camera and that I need to lose weight like ASAP? Yeah, I'm working on that weight loss, okay? Because I have gained a couple of pounds and y'all see how wide my butt looks, but we're not paying attention to the butt, okay? We're paying attention to me cleaning out this tile in my bathtub. And y'all, I get the sides of the bathtub as well on the outside of the bathtub because that needs cleaning too. That gets dirty as well. So, okay, let's continue cleaning. Okay, so now on to dumping the trash. And yes, y'all, use Dollar Tree trash bags to put in my trash can. There's no need in buying trash bags when you can use those, right? Okay, so now on to vacuuming the floor, and I love to use this vacuum to vacuum my floor and the rugs, y'all. This little vacuum is the bomb. I actually got this vacuum after my mom passed away, back in 2016, y'all, and I've been using it ever since. It is so bomb. It gets up every little piece of trash, hair, whatever. It does the trick, and it wasn't that expensive either, so I really enjoyed that vacuum. So I'm just vacuuming up everything, all the hair and all the excess stuff that's on the floor.
Okay, you guys, so now I am finished cleaning up my bathroom. I didn't wash my floors this time. I think next time I'll clean my floors, but this is how it looks now, all nice and clean. Hey, how you doing? Y'all excuse my voice. My allergies and sinuses are messing up, y'all. But yes, y'all, mirrors clean, toilet, and the tub is clean, y'all. Yes, love a clean house, love a clean, smelling good house, y'all. So next, folding up clothes.
Okay, so let's go ahead and put these clothes in the dryer and get those dried, and then I will fold up the clothes after that, y'all. And now I have another batch of clothes to wash. Gotta wash Lauren's clothes for school. Gotta wash my clothes as well. So let's go ahead and get that out the way. And so this is what I have to do all the time. This is the life of a mother. Okay, so the towels are finished drying. I'm about to put those in the clothes basket, and so I can fold these bad boys up, y'all. I loathe folding up clothes. I hate it, y'all. I don't know what that was in there. And so now I'm going to change out the lint drawer because there was a lot of lint after those towels dried. And so now I'm going to put the next batch of clothes in the dryer and dry those. And as y'all can tell, it is a few days later. I'm not going to lie, I did not fold up my clothes after I washed them the other day. I put them in a clothes basket and I just dumped them bad boys on my bed when I felt like actually folding the clothes up. I know it's wrong, it's bad, you know. I'm not an OCD person, so leaving them in my clothes basket is okay and fine with me. But I did have to go ahead and fold them bad boys up. And I'm walking away just to get some hangers, you guys. So if I walk away periodically, that's just because I'm trying to get some hangers. And y'all, can y'all check out my serious face, y'all, while I'm over here folding up clothes? But I keep on looking at the camera because it keeps getting blurry. But I figured out exactly what was going on with my camera, so I fixed that problem. So hopefully now it's solved. Okay, yes. So now it is not blurry anymore. It's not trying to focus because I actually turn the camera around the other way. Instead of front view, it is the rear view. Yay! So I got it right, you guys. And you guys, I will admit I am not really neat when it comes to folding up my clothes. I'm not OCD like that. So I fold them up fairly decent, but they're not the neatest folding up of clothes. I'm okay with it, but I'm not too neat. But as long as they get folded up and put away, that's all I'm concerned about. Okay, now I'm folding up my towels, and as you can see, that towel right there is extremely dirty. Y'all, that's what I clean and spot clean my makeup brushes with. I am a makeup artist, and I clean my brushes off with that, and that's why it's so extremely dirty. I have separate towels for my makeup and how I clean my makeup and my makeup brushes and things like that. And also have separate washcloths for when I take a bath, and I have rags for when I I guess you can say wash dishes and wash the tub and things like that. So I have separate washcloths and towels for different things that I use. Even though I wash and bleach everything, I still have separate towels. Okay, so time to put up the towels and the washcloths and my rags. And so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Y'all make sure y'all let me know if you guys want me to do more videos like these, more clean with me motivation videos. Alrighty, y'all comment down below. Let me know your thoughts. If you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe to my channel so you can see more videos like these.